Hey, if you're watching this video, that means that you're probably interested in starting your own business. Now you might be in one of two camps. I know what business I want to start, or I have no idea what business I want to start, I just know I want to be successful. What if I was to tell you that we are so confident in our business opportunity, we're willing to guarantee that in the first 12 months of business, you will make at least $500,000 in sales. That's right, you heard me correctly. $500,000 in sales in your first 12 months, or we'll give you your money back. Now, what kind of business can we actually guarantee those kind of numbers right off the bat if you're a brand new business? Well, we are Driving Academy, and I'm the founder, and we actually became a truck driving school franchise. That's right. We're going to show you how to get into the truck driving school business. Now, before you actually start going crazy in your mind and being like, truck driving school business, that's definitely not for me, just take a step back and relax and think about this. Last time that you were out in your car driving, I'm sure you saw some of these things out there, right? Big tractor trailers. Now, did you know that there's about 3 million drivers in this country right now? And all of them actually have to go to school, just like ours, to actually get their CDL license and get certified. And the actual education will cost anywhere from $3,000 all the way up to $10,000, depending on which type of course that they went to, which type of program they went to, and all that stuff, right? So now you start seeing how big this market opportunity can actually be. Now, what is going to interest you a lot is that there's currently 150,000 truck driver shortage right now as we're speaking, which means that the demand for this thing is only going to continue to grow. And it's a great business to be in because you can do two things. You can make profits, plus you can change people's lives for the better. Because think about it, every time you make a new sale, you're actually signing up a new student where you're making money, but you're also changing that person's life by getting a CDL license and helping them get on what we call the road to freedom. Because we believe in order to have freedom in this country, you need to make enough money to make sure that you have enough options to live. And that's what we like to do for our franchisees, and we like to do for our students as well. And that's why we're so confident in our process, so confident in our marketing strategy, our sales process, and training process that we're willing to guarantee, that's right, guarantee in the first 12 months, you make at least $500,000 or more. If not, we'll pay you your $50,000 fee back, and no harm, no foul, and we'll continue to help you continue to grow moving forward, right? Now, when you actually look at franchising or any business opportunity out there, no one is willing to make that guarantee because they're not that confident in the process, right? We know as long as you do the step-by-step process, even if you have no experience in the trucking industry, we can make sure that that guarantee happens. So the total investment to actually get started in your very own truck driving school is going to be anywhere from $250,000 to $450,000. Now, if you want more details on how that's broken down, make sure you go all the way to the bottom of this page where we actually give you a whole list on how that price is broken down. Owning a truck driving school has so many different perks. It's very high profit margin. It's a great industry to be in. You're changing people's lives. But if you want to know more about becoming your own truck driving school owner and the benefits of it, make sure you go to the next video on this page. Now, if you're somebody who's saying, hey, yo, I want to make at least $500,000 in my first 12 months, and I'm confident and this is the way I want to go, and I want to learn more, I invite you to fill out the form on this page simply because the demand for this is so hot that territories are filling up fast. And we're only going to be giving out a minimum amount of territories to make sure that all of our franchisees are going to be super, super confident in making sure that they're able to succeed so they're not on top of each other and fighting with each other. So if you want to lock yourself in on a territory and you feel confident right now, fill out the form and have a conversation with somebody on our team. We'll definitely be able to help you out. If you're somebody who needs more information and needs more time, no big deal. We have so much information on this page. Keep scrolling down, educate yourself, but I invite you, before you make your decision to say yes, or before you make your decision to say no, just fill out the form and have one of our team members have a talk with you. We'll see if it's a good fit for you or not. I invite you to make this decision. It's going to be the best decision of your life. We're so confident that we're willing to do something that no one else does, which is guarantee that you make $500,000 in your very first year. So what are you waiting for? Fill out the form or continue on to the page. Thanks. I'll see you soon.